Am I the only one who packs every adapter known to mankind? Let's crack the code of power plugs. Alright, let's dive in. There are over 15 types of power plugs and sockets around the world. Type A and B? You'll find them in the US and Japan. Type C and F? Europe, baby. Type G? Hello, UK and Ireland. And there's more. It's like Pokemon. Gotta catch 'em all. So why so many? It's all about safety and standards. Different countries developed their own systems before global travel was common. But don't worry, universal adapters exist to save the day. Next time you travel, pack smart and plug in anywhere. Comica subtitle: The Mystery of Different Power Plugs. Explained. Watermark: Skillful Junkie.